Struggling to add a custom tax rate in Xero? The defaults just don't fit your business, and you're probably staring at the settings wondering where to even start. Here's exactly how to create manual tax rates in under 5 minutes. So here's the plan. We're going to navigate to the manual tax rate settings inside Xero. Then we'll create a brand new rate with its own components and percentages. Let's start with logging in. All right, go ahead and log into your Xero account. This is the part where you just enter your email and password like usual. If you're already logged in, even better. Now, once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see something called Accounting. Click on that. It's pretty straightforward, but it's the gateway to everything we need. So after you click Accounting, you're going to see a drop-down or a submenu pop up. What you're looking for is Accounting Settings. Not the general settings, not your profile settings, but Accounting Settings. Click on that. This is where things start to get specific. You're now in the full settings area for your chart of accounts and tax rates. Look for a section or a tab that says Manual Tax Rates. It might be a little bit hidden under a dropdown, but it's there. Click on it. Now you're in the right place. You'll see a list of any custom tax rates you've already created, if any, and a big button that says New Tax Rate. Click that button to get started. A new window or a new form is going to pop up. This is where you get to name your tax rate. And here's the thing. Be really clear with your naming. If this is for a specific city, a special service, or a reduced rate for certain goods, name it something that makes sense to you and your accountant. Something like Local City Sales Tax or Reduced Rate Services. Don't just call it Tax A or My Rate. You'll thank yourself later when you're looking through a long list. All right, so now we get to the really important part. You need to add one or more tax components. Think of a component as the building block of your tax rate. If your rate is simple, like just a flat 5%, you only need one component. But if your tax is made up of two parts, like a state tax plus a local tax that together form your total rate, you need to add them as separate components. Click the button that says Add Component or Add Tax Component. You'll get a blank line or a new field. Every component needs a name and a percentage. Name the first one something like State Portion, and the second one Local Portion. Now, for each component, enter the tax percentage. So if your state portion is 4%, type in 4. If your local portion is 1.5%, type in 1.5. Xero will do the math for you and show you the total combined rate at the bottom. Double-check that total. If you need 3 different parts, just keep adding components until you have them all. It's very flexible. So you've got your name, you've got your components with the right percentages. Now is the time to review everything. Look at the total percentage. Is it exactly what your local tax authority requires? Check the names of your components. Do they make sense? Compare this to the default rates that didn't work for you before. You should see your custom rate listed with a clear breakdown, not just a single confusing number. This is where you catch little mistakes before they cause big headaches down the road. Once you're happy, it's time to lock it in. Click the Save button. Give it just a second to process, and you're done. That custom tax rate is now available to use on your invoices and your bills. And just like that, you've gone from being stuck with incorrect tax calculations to confidently creating your own custom tax rates that match your business needs perfectly. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.